Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat group chat glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat group chat glitch, you should just go to settings. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Snapchat. Then in this page of app info, you will click force stop. Here we go to click storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.